Inhale, exhale. Yan po ang Ujjayi breathing. Tingnan nyo kung paano natin gagawin. So, ganito kung mag-practice ka ng Uddiyana Bandha. Bago mo gawin yung Uddiyana Bandha, ito muna ang practicein mo. Tingnan mo paano. Bago ka matuto sa awan, pag-lock mo sa Uddiyana Bandha at saka sa Mula Bandha, kailangan mo munang matutong mag-hold nito. Tingnan mo. So dito, nag-hold ako dito ng breath, mga 10 seconds. Then you inhale. Inhale deep. Then exhale completely. Empty your stomach. Tingnan nyo to. Ito yung paano mo i-lock. Okay, hold the vacuum. Yan. Yan. So, hold mo. Pero hindi ka mag-hold ng breath kung paano mo lang siya i-hold ang ano mo, ang tiyan mo. So breathe out after that one. So isa ito sa practice din na ng paano mo ikuan. So dito, tingnan mo ha. Inhale, look up. Exhaling, empty the stomach kagaya nung nakita nyo sa sample natin. Then hold mo itong breath mo dito. Hindi naman hold masyado. Inhale, look up, pull the belly, then exhale, air all from your belly. Yan. Ano mo lang siya, lock. Pero naka-breath, pwede kang mag-breath niyan, pero yung tiyan mo niyan naka-vacuum. Practice lang yan kung paano i-hold longer yung yung Mula Bandha mo. So ito ay isang practice lang. Okay? So, yan lang muna tayo. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhaling, arms come up. Exhaling down. Bring your hands closer to your feet. Head down. Inhaling, look forward. Exhaling here to Chaturanga, plank position. Drop your body all the way down. Inhaling, upward dog. Shoulder roll backward. Open your chest. Exhale. Okay. Inhale. Inhale. Bring your hips up. So bring your body in a reverse B position here. Then relax your neck, relax your shoulder, relax your spine, tall and long. Then open your hamstrings. Try to open your hamstring here. Just keep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Then walk forward. Inhaling, flat your back. Exhaling, drop your head down again. Inhaling, reach up to finish your sun salutation A. Come to Samasthiti. Exhale. Okay. Gabi tayo, round 1. Inhale, chair pose. Exhaling, arms down, forward fold 1. Then inhale, look forward, forward fold 2. Exhale, down to Chaturanga here. Okay. Inhaling, upward dog. Open your chest here and roll your shoulder back. Okay, adjust. Exhaling, downward dog. Here, adjust, opening ito because nagano ako dito, nag-open pa ako masyado sa kasi may injuries tayo. So, tinagal ko muna dito yung downward dog. Ina-adjust ko yung hamstring. Then, right legs, lift up. Exhale, then forward fold. Yan. Ito, naka-mirror lang to, kaya yung left legs ang nakaano dyan. Warrior 1. Exhale, downward dog. Chaturanga. Inhaling, upward dog. Yan. Exhaling, downward dog. Okay, dito, prepare natin yung left foot. Pero ayan, naka-mirror yung natin ha. Yung mid video natin. Kaya tingnan mo, parang right yung inano ko dyan. Then, warrior 1 ulit tayo. Yan, may injuries ako dyan. Hindi ko ma-drop masyado yung hips. Hindi ko masyadong ma-open. Exhaling to Chaturanga. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Open your chest again. Once magdaan ka dito, open mo lahat yung mga kailangan mo talagang i-open. Yan. Dumaan ako dyan, kailangan open ako. Then downward. Stay ako dito ng 5 breath. Inhale, exhale. 5 breath. Yan. Shoulder ko, hindi ko pa na masyadong na-open. Kailangan ko i-open yan. Kakabalik ko lang yan sa yoga. So, first time ito. Flat down head, exhale. Inhale to chair pose. Exhaling to Samastiti. Ayan, round 2. Sit down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to forward fold again. Round 2 na to. Okay? Inhale, look forward, flat your back, extend your legs and arms. We will go down to Chaturanga, smooth and slow. Exhaling all the way down. Inhaling again, open your chest, open your heart. Exhaling to downward dog over here to open your hamstring muscles. Drop your heels down. Alternate. Right leg na naman yan. Kailangan i-push natin. Okay? Ay, baliktarin ko itong video na to. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Drop down to Chaturanga. Walk your right foot backward. All the way down. Inhale to upward dog. Exhaling to downward dog. All the way down. Yan. Now, left foot step forward. Warrior 1. There, adjust. Then inhaling, arms come up. Reach up here. Hindi ko ma-drop yung hips. Kailangan i-drop nyo yung hips dyan. Ma-open nyo yung hips. Exhale down to Chaturanga. All the way down again. Core engage, strong to your shoulders and arms. Okay. Inhaling again. Open your chest. Roll your shoulder back. Exhaling to downward dog. Okay. We staying here for 5 breaths. Okay. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward. Tumalon tayo dito. Jump forward. Inhale, flat back. Again. Exhaling, drop your head down. Adjust. Open your hamstring here. Push your knee back. Inhale, arms reach up for seated position. Chair pose. Exhale to Samastitihi.